What's up guys, and welcome back to this Mercedes Mobility Minibus motorhome conversion. So today's video is going to be fitting in a shower door into the bathroom area of this build. I've already fitted in a shower tray ready to fit a Thetford C200 toilet in. I've also cladded it all the way around with PVC red sparkle cladding. So now's the time to get the shower door fully fitted in, so then the bathroom will be getting towards nearer completion. Now, because I'm building inside the bus, I don't have the luxury of building inside a house, so I've had to go for a slightly reduced height shower door. Most caravans and motorhomes go for reduced height doors, just because, as I say, you're not quite as high as you would be building inside a home. So this door is 180 centimeters high. It's only just shorter than your standard household door, and I'll put a link in the description for doors like this if you are building a bathroom and you're after a similar sort of door yourself. It should be relatively straightforward to fit in. The doors arrived as a complete unit, already fitted inside the frame. So it should just be a case of securing the frame to my bathroom walls all the way around. But as you can see, the door itself isn't as wide as the bathroom, so I'm going to build an extension wall coming out here. I thought I was going to have to anyway, but I've waited until I've ordered the door first, because obviously I wanted to make sure that the door was going to be getting fitted in nicely. And now I can build the wall to measure around the actual door. Now this is a bifold door, so you'll just be able to basically just push in the middle and the doors will fold inside. I'd show you that now, but the door would basically just fall inside because, as I say, there's nothing securing this on at the moment, it's just stood in place. So I'm going to crack on and get some timbers cut down, build up the extension for the wall to butt right up against the frame of the door. And as you can see, the frame itself's got a few screw holes already mounted in the frame, just to be able to screw straight through into the frame. Once I've got the wall fully built, I'll put an additional layer of cladding on the inside, same red PVC stuff. On the outside I'll put a layer of the brick effect PVC cladding that I've been putting inside the living area, just for continuity, just so it looks nice and neat, and it'll flow around from the front living area across to this front wall area that's going to be built there. So I'll crack on, get some safety gear out, some tools out, get some timbers cut down for this wall, and we'll insulate it as we go along as well. It'll be fully sealed in. I've got a mixture of different silicones. I've got standard white as a base silicone, and then just to finish everything off, I've bought some colour coded red silicone just as a final top layer, just to try and hide all of the joins as we go along as well. So again, I'll even put links for the silicone in, because it's quite hard to find colour coded silicone. It's not cheap, but I'll put links in the description if you want to buy some of that sort of stuff yourself as well. So let's get cracked on, let's get all the safety gear out, tools on, and we'll get this wall built and get the door mounted. Right, so there we go, that is the shower door fully mounted along with the side wall that I've also had to build. As you can see, that's all fully cladded on the outside and the inside as well. The door's opening nicely and freely, just swings straight open, straight back. So the only thing I've got left to do now is to frost the entire glass panelling. Admittedly, it might have been a little bit easier to have done this before fitting the door. I just wasn't really thinking. I wanted to try and get it all built in. So now I'm just going to mask around the side of the frames. I've got some frosting paint. I'm going to put that in some hot water just to get the pressure in the can built up. It should give a bit of a better coverage once the spray can's always warmed up. And I'm going to be covering the inside, well sorry, both sides of the door, the inside and the outside of the door, as well as the window for the bathroom as well, just to add that little bit of added extra privacy into the bathroom. Once that's done, it's just a case of then getting the shower fitted, giving the shower a test fire, get the bathroom, the toilet in its final position, and that'll be the bathroom pretty much fully finished. So I'm going to get some frosting paint out, get all of the frame around the door masked up, give this a frosting paint, and we'll have a look and see what it looks like when it's all finished. Right guys, so there you go, that is the reduced height shower door fully fitted into the bathroom area, as well as the side supporting wall fitted in. All the glass in the shower door has been fully frosted out. I've used 4 cans of glass frosting spray, 2 cans per pane. If it does turn out I need any more in the future, I'll just go out and buy a couple more cans, just mask it all off again and spray it all up again. The only thing I've got to do left remaining now is basically just to scratch off and clean up all of the mastic tape adhesive from where I'd previously masked it all up to spray it all on. But I'm quite happy with how all the frostings came out. I've had my arm behind it, giving it a wiggle. You can barely see anything through the frosting, so it's came out quite nicely. Now I'll be putting links to everything that I've used within this part of the build in the description of the video. So if you're looking for a reduced height shower door, there'll be a link in the description of the video. For the glass frosting, I'll put a link for that in as well as everything else like the power tools I use, this, that, the other. Everything that I use within this conversion, I generally do try and link in the description of the videos just to help you guys out if you're looking for the similar sort of things yourself. Now as I say, this is a reduced height shower door. It's because the standard household shower doors are 185 centimeters high. I only had 180 centimeters to play with, so that's why I've had to go out and get a reduced height shower door. They're not quite as readily available as your standard household ones, so that's why I'll put links in the description to where I've got this from, because as I say, they are a little bit more awkward to get hold of. But in regards to getting the installation done, that's the shower door fully fitted, swinging open and shut really nicely as well. All the glass is frosted out to give some privacy. So the only thing left to do in the bathroom build is to get the shower mounted on the wall and to get the toilet in its final resting place as well. Those are going to be coming up in the future videos of this channel. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to follow along with the build. Have a look on my channel. There's already 5 fully documented job by job conversions on there already. And as I say, this Mercedes bus is getting converted job by job as well. So give the video a good old thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And have a look in the description for the links for the shower door, for the glass frosting, for the power tools that I use, across to my social feeds, my website, Patreon, things like that as well. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video of the series of this Mercedes Mobility minibus conversion. Thanks for watching. Cheers.